Get acquainted with the 2019 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take your daily drive to a higher level of comfort and quality with this well-built, well-equipped Tucson. Standard high-tech touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assistance features, and an upscale feel make this stylish compact crossover stand out from the crowd. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, backup camera, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, stability control, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers. Elevate the quality and comfort of your daily drive. Get into this outstanding Tucson. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.